Emeteq Technology Co., established 2013, is a specialized manufacturer of holographic and e-counterfeiting packaging materials, lamination film, lithographic positioning paper, and hot stamping foils. Headquartered in Yichang, Hubei Province, we operate a fully integrated facility spanning R&D, manufacturing, and global distribution. Our commitment to quality is validated by ASCC and ISO certifications, while our experienced team ensures technical excellence and responsive client support. With a strong domestic presence across China and an expanding international footprint, we serve markets worldwide through direct sales and OEM/ODM partnerships. Whether you require standard products from our catalog or customized engineering solutions, our technical sales team is ready to assist with your specific requirements.